Welcome to the world of I Create Lines, human design, personal one-on-one readings, coaching and guidance. Human design audio courses for your pace of learning. One-on-one accountability, support, talk therapy and holding space sessions. Fascia maneuvers, emotional release, one-on-one coaching and guidance. Free daily live movement classes on the Insight Timer app. Breathwork, fascia maneuvers, lymph work, and Qigong. Always wanted hands-on treatment? Can't travel? I can come to you anywhere in the world. Contact for more information. Weekly Q&A sessions on the Insight Timer app. Free content, instructional ebooks, and videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. iCreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.
Washington State, letting go of doubt. I release doubt. I accept courage. I release doubt. I embrace clarity. I'm embracing change. I speak only what I want more of. Right, let's begin with breathwork. Good morning, Diana. Inhaling with the hands up like this, exhaling with the sound of s, and doing this. So hands together, elbow slaps your rib cage. We're gonna do quick inhale exhales, so for 10 to 15 times, and then at the last one, when you're capped, exhale fully, and then when you're empty, hold that emptiness until you must breathe, and then inhale. For everyone, it's gonna be different. Do not wait for me. Go at your own pace, and when your body starts needing oxygen, that's when you inhale. And then after that inhale, it's and then you relax. Okay. Now, while we relax between sets, do this movement. Okay, round two. Okay, now in front of the shoulder, an armpit, relax for a minute. Okay, round three. Hold. Okay, slowly stand up. And we're gonna tap the belly button. And let's tap the groin. And let's rub behind our knees. Okay. Let's bounce up and down on the calves and shake everything off for 1 to 2 minutes. Breathe in through your nose. Okay. stance. Front hand massages the belly, back hand massages the low back. Now we're gonna do a big inhale, exhale, and we're gonna flow like that 6 times. So full inhale, full all the way until everything's out. Then slow full inhale, full until everything's out. And then at the end of the 6th one, you're gonna hold like we did before and do this. So the last one. Hold. And just relax now. Let's do some maneuvers for the head as long as we're here. Take your right hand with this part of the hand on your temple area, right temple, fingers pointing back. Left hand, same thing, fingers pointing front. You're gonna squeeze the head between and then twist the skin. Hold at the top and let's move the head and neck. Don't hold your breath. Okay, relax. Same where your right hand was. Now just go down and push the fingers into your jaw. Left hand, same thing. Go down and push the fingers into the jaw. And now we're gonna go down. So push in, down. Hold and move. One hand on the side of the nose and pull away and up. The other hand pulls away and down. And explore this area, just make sure you stretch it open. Breathe through that nostril. Other side, same thing. Fingers will go in your ears like this. The left hand is gonna grab the ear, push in and twist forward. Right hand is gonna push in, grab and twist backwards. You're gonna open and close your jaw, breathe through the nose, not through the mouth, and move. Left forward, right backward. All right, stand up. Let's walk around a bit. All right, now we're gonna cross one leg in front of the other. We're gonna hug ourselves a certain way. You're gonna squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. You're gonna squeeze your abs. You're gonna look to one side, twist your body to the other side, and we're gonna breathe here. Then we're gonna twist our body to the other side, the head to the other side. We're gonna breathe there, and then we're gonna switch it up completely. So, one leg, right leg in front of the left. Right arm under, left arm on top. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles and abs. Look to your right, twist the body to the left, and breathe. Now head to the left, body to the right. Okay, now in this position, squat down and bend forward. Breathe more. And twist to the opposite side and breathe more. Okay. Let's unwind and walk around. If you're feeling dizzy, take a second. And then walk. Okay. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the left foot in front and the left hand under, right hand on top of the shoulder. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles and your abs. Look to the right, body to the left. Let's breathe. Okay, rotate the other way. Okay, now squat down and bend forward. Rotate a bit more. And now rotate the other way. And stand up. Take a second if you are dizzy. And let's walk. Okay. Now you're gonna take your left arm, put it on your right shoulder. With your right arm, grab here, skin, and pull and rotate this way. Turn your head that way. And so if you're rotating to the right, then your left foot goes backwards. So you put your left foot backwards, squat down, and rotate. Look to the left, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, and breathe. Okay. You can immediately go to the other side. Okay. Stabilize. Bend the knees, open the groin. Let's go for a walk for a few seconds. Now, now we're gonna do a Qigong set. So breathe naturally, follow your own pace, repeat the movements as best as you can. The general principle is when things are going up or when things are expanding, then you inhale. When things are going down and when the body is contracting, that's when you exhale. Try to breathe and then match the movement to the breathing and not move and then try to match the speed of movement with the breathing. So you know your breathing pace and try to match the movement with the breathing pace. Yeah, that's it. Become relaxed as you can and think of stretching. Think of muscles and bones and tissue having more and more space between them. So when, let's say, when you go like this, imagine every single joint separating, opening, lengthening. There's more space now between the bones and the muscles and the tendons. So you're creating more space in between the places in your body. Always have your knees slightly bent and your groin slightly open. So quick, sharp inhale on the punch, and then long exhale on this. Put your hands on your low back like this. You're gonna inhale and go up on your tiptoes, and then exhale, you're gonna slap your heels down, bend the knees, feel the vibration in your whole body, and pull the arms down. So like this. You can exhale, you can ha. Let's go for a walk and then come back. How's everybody feeling? Type it in the chat below. The name is I Create Lines. You can find everything under that name. Audio courses, live sessions on Insight Timer. You can send me a message if you wish to contact me. Everything's there. All donations greatly appreciated. Sharing on social media greatly appreciated. Inviting friends greatly appreciated. If you would like to donate on Insight Timer and you're using Apple device, please donate after the live directly through the profile, because Apple takes 30% if you donate while the live is going on. If you're using Android, you can do whatever you want. Type in the chat how everybody's feeling. Thank you, Melody. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Crystal. Thank you, Teresa, for the lovely donation. I hope you come every day with us. We are starting up the schedule once again. Welcome, Crystal. Empowered, grounded, grateful, open. Susan, welcome. All newcomers, please introduce yourself. Tell us something about yourself. Where do you come from? What is your intention? Are you going to come again to the practice? Every day it's a slightly different practice, sometimes more breath work. Yes, beautiful birds. Sometimes we do more breath work, sometimes we do more fascia, sometimes more qigong. Enjoying the qigong flow, thank you so much. Sometimes we do mostly fascia. Robert Halley, what up, my brother? Haven't seen you in a while. Lovely to see you in the sun. I'll come back when I schedule it. All right, yeah, you can always find ways to contact me. Thank you guys for being here. We are skipping tomorrow. We are back Thursday. Until then, check out everything, courses, ways to contact me, ways to support. I create lines, Insight Timer. Everything's on the profile, links, courses, audio, meditations. Everything's there. You can also just search I create lines and see what you will find. Mostly human design, deconditioning the mind so we don't go around blind. I can help you find your true self. I remove all the necessary books from the shelf, leave just one. The work is never done. We enjoy the process. Every day is a progress. Robert Halley, a wealth of knowledge and awareness. Everyone with him, go deep. Thank you, brother. Robert Halley, also a teacher on Insight Timer. Go check him out. A lot of poetry, a lot of creative, expressive movement, guests. Also a longtime teacher on Insight Timer. Daily or weekly lives, very often lives. Have a wonderful day. Gotta go. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, everyone. Lovely donations, lovely support. We are back Thursday. Peace, health, and abundance.